Hello everyone, welcome to PC Tricks Guru YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show you that how to fix old and damaged photographs using a tool which is completely based on artificial intelligence. It has a database with lots of eyes, nose, face and everything, and it enhances the pictures magically. So you'll see, and let's go and start the video. So for this purpose, all you need to do is to open your Google Play Store application. So I have opened it, and now search for the application Remini, and you can see that you'll see it in the search results. So Remini Photo Enhancer. Open the application and install it if you haven't installed it. And once it is installed, then you need to launch the application. So I'm clicking on open, and the application is being opened now. So it's a free application. The free version has advertisements, so it might be frustrating to see advertisements, but that is okay because we are not fixing images in bulk. So everyone has 2 or 3 photos which they want to enhance, and for that purpose this application, the free version, is enough. So now we have to click on enhance. So in the application here you can see that its enhance option is there. Click on enhance and then click on use it. But before that, look how does it work. So this was the original photograph, and after applying the artificial intelligence, the application fixed it, so it looks like this now. So it's much clearer, and no one can say that the image has been enhanced using AI, and it's pretty cool, isn't it? So I have a sample photograph in my phone which I'll try to fix. That is a black and white image. So once we'll fix the image, then we will colorize the image as well. So click on use it and then look for the image. So this is the image which I have, and you can see that it has scratches. The faces are not much clear. So let's go and click on the check mark option at the bottom. Now it's creating a task, but before that it will show an advertisement. So
हाय गाइस,
you'll
मैं हूं
have
कीकू
to
शारदा।
wait.
जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है ना, मैं काफी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करने लगा हूं। अब मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताता हूं। आप
Oh, shut up, I do not want to hear all these nonsense. So 15 seconds remaining. We'll have to wait for the advertisement to be completed. And it's done. Now we can close the ad, and it's asking us to select a face, that which face do we want to fix. So if we want to fix this face, see how does it work. So you can see the difference clearly, but yep, the AI got confused with the cap. Instead of the cap, it added here. Okay, but if you look at the face, you can see the difference clearly. And now let's try with the first face. So this is the face, and if I look at the enhanced image, it's much better. So you can see that this one is the damaged photo, the old photo, and this is the enhanced version. So let's go with this one, and I'm fine with this one. Okay, now we'll have to click on download. So the photo, the face, it has been saved, and we can go ahead and check it in the gallery. And here, this photo, if you look at this image, you can see that it has enhanced both the faces. So this one is much better. Let me go ahead and save this one. The faces are much clearer, so I have saved this one as well. Okay, great. So now we have saved both the images, I mean the close-up of the face and this original picture as well. Let me go ahead and close the application. Now it's time to colorize the image. So the image which we have is this one. So if I look at the image, you can see the faces are much clearer now. Great. Now let's go ahead and colorize them. So I'll delete the rest of the images which I do not need, but I'll do it later. Now we have to go to the web browser and then type imagecolorizer.com, this one. So we have opened imagecolorizer.com. This website is also completely based on artificial intelligence, which colorizes black and white images. So we have to just upload our image, click on colorize now, and then click on this section here, select this one and click on done. Now click on start. Image is being uploaded now, and the image has been uploaded. Now you have to wait for a few seconds while it's processing. So AI is working in the background to colorize the image. Once the colorization is completed, you'll see an option to download the image at the right side of the browser. So let's wait while the process is being performed in the background. Okay, so now you can see that the download option is visible here at the corner, and we have to click on it. So let's go ahead and click on it. A new browser tab will be opened, and bingo, you can see that the image has been colorized, the skin tone, the clothes, and everything has been colorized. So it's much better. If we compare it with the original image, this image is much better. It's been cleaned, it's been colorized. So see how wonderful artificial intelligence is. So I hope that all of you liked this video. So if you need to enhance other photos as well, you can simply use the Remini application and proceed with the steps which I shown in this image. So if you already have colored images, you do not have to colorize them, but if you want to enhance your black and white images, you can just first enhance them using Remini application, and then you can colorize them using this website imagecolorizer.com. So thank you again. That's it from my end. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click on like, share the video, and that's all. Thank you again for staying with me, and have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye.